Good morning. I'm making this video, but normally I wouldn't because we've got workmen next door. But I'm making it because when I was traveling through Europe, I was seeing all of these towers being erected everywhere. And through the weeks coming, I started feeling a massive headache when I passed certain towers, not all of them. So what I did was, as I do, I started doing my research and stopping at certain places, pulling up, trying to get as close to the towers. Sometimes feeling terrible pain, thinking, okay, this is really serious, this is on. And then driving off, and funnily enough, Italy, when I passed, going through Italy, going to past Venice, the towers were phenomenal. They were like, seriously, like normal. The towers have got 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 10 on. In that particular part, there was like 20, 30 on them. Boy, were they powerful. And funny how everything started there in that particular part of Italy, right? So, like, yeah, there's something going on here. When you saw the difference between the amount of boxes on the towers back down there, another 30 miles up here, now all of a sudden they're just, it's rife. And it's true, go and look. Not kidding you, it's truth. So then I realised that certain towers were being switched on and off. Higher, lower frequencies. Sometimes there'd be a low dull, and I'd like, that's not nice. Then, oh my God, that kills. I realised very soon that each tower has basically a on-off button and a turn-up volume button, high-low. Well, yeah, I'm just going to say that. I'm not going to say that come next month. Yeah, I am going to say come next month. It's now been leaked that they're going to turn it up another notch. Okay, I don't know whether it's right or wrong. I don't know if they'll use it as a, oh yeah, we knew that, we're starting to turn it on now, so what are you talking about? Anyway, the effect and cause of this, when you've had this, is going to be, you're going to see a pattern. So basically when it's switched on, all of a sudden you're going to see people a lot worse. Or, okay, so people are asking me, what do we do? And I said, well, the only thing I know is what I've used and what works for me when I've been in the vicinity of these disgusting microwave oven weaponized systems. And so I created something, and I've got it here, and this one's a new one. This is what I did was, because a lot of people haven't got a lot of money at the moment. So what I tried to do is, okay, I tried to, first of all, I need to get it there quick. People want it quick. So the only way to do that is DHL. DHL is 30 plus, so that's a lot of money. I pay for that. All the products that I'm showing you now individually add up to a whole heap more than what I'm selling it to you. So I'm basically paying for the cost of the DHL, I'm paying for the products, I'm paying for the staff. And profit-wise, I don't think, maybe a few euros I'll get of profit, but not much. So this is a good deal, okay? This is for you. I'm doing it for you. For the ones who really are going through that, oh my God, I live next to a death tower. Or I've got one next to me, I've got a smart grid, I've got this smart thing here, and we're struggling, the children are struggling, what can I do? Okay, this is for you. This isn't for people who don't get it, who don't understand it, who think it's just nonsense. No problem. Okay, just move on to the next video. This is for specifically for you. So the first thing I do in the morning, because I have a death tower, 3 death towers down the mountain, a death tower in the village, and up here on the hill of Belmadina Hill, yes, Belmadina Hill, we have about 50 death towers up there. So I do my best to cleanse myself daily. This is sage. Sage is from the Alpujarras. It's organic, it's natural, and it's fantastic. So You can't go wrong with saging yourself. It cleanses your energy, it cleanses your life force, and it helps strengthen your immune system. Absolutely 100%. If you're feeling negative and down, if you don't feel well because of what's going on around you, sage yourself and you'll feel better within either 5 minutes to half an hour. You're feeling, oh my God, I don't feel the same anymore. I actually feel balanced. Absolutely. Sage, you can't get enough sage, guys. I can't get enough sage. I have the small farmers always working, and I buy by the bulk. I mean, literally, my van is full. So this stuff is amazing. Okay, so you get one of these. All my videos will show you, if you just type in Mark Bajerski Sage, you'll see 4 or 5 or 6 videos come up. It shows you step by step how to use the sage and how to cleanse yourself. So that's self-explanatory on my videos. So there you go. That's the first thing you get. The second thing is this. This is what shamans use and what I've been using for a long time. This is Agua de Florida. Yes, you can buy it online. Good for you. Go get it. If you don't want this, go get it. It's great stuff. I don't sell it separately. I can't. It's just not worth it. After wrapping and packing and shipping, the amount of weight, it just isn't worth it. You can buy it cheaper online. And how they do it, I don't know, but good for them. So that's Agua de Florida. It's amazing stuff. This is the stuff that helped cleanse and clear everything from your core, and it really works. It helps clear the nastiness in the brain, and certainly brings oxygen to the brain when you breathe it in. I use that through the day, maybe 5 to 10 times a day. All the herbs inside it, mixed with pure alcohol, gives a really great, powerful cleanse inside. So it's a kind of detox for the inside, and it works really well. I use it all the time, before and after. It's brilliant. So the way to use this is just put a little bit on your hands, rub your hands together, breathe through your nose as deep as you can, and you'll find you'll cough and it'll feel oof, and then you might even get a sharp headache. This is the cleansing and clearing of blocks. So Agua de Florida is the second product that comes in this special offer. Next is my beautiful mist. Mist is amazing, fantastic. People are now, it's becoming #1 seller, I believe, on Lemon House. Or maybe Sacred Oil is, but this is one of the best sellers. Reason why, it never runs out. So when it goes down to half, you fill it back up again. I normally fill it up with spring water, but if you use purified water, distilled water, that's fine as well. I wouldn't go with anything to do with your tap, okay? So boil the crap out of it if you're going to do that, and then use boiled water. Okay, so Sacred Mist is a blend of over probably 100 different sacred places where water begins or where water is. That water I took from over the years, and many people also sent me water from different very special parts of the world, and I put them together, working daily with it, putting good energy into it. I've had it for years and years, probably 17, 18 years now. The bottle is there, and because I love Lemon House that much and I believe in them, I said you can sell this, and you are the only ones to sell it on Lemon House, which will be my contribution to you. And I gave them some crystals that I worked on, a special load of crystals, and I helped them create their own personal sacred oil, which is absolutely fantastic. It's a slightly different blend to mine, but it's amazing. So this is the Sacred Mist. I take mine, I've got one in my bag, I take it everywhere with me, especially now, especially because of the 5G and the and all the stuff that's happening around people. So basically I take it and squirt all around me, and you can feel the lightness straight away. It's amazing. You can feel the lightness and in your energy. Like I just had a little bit of a headache, now it's just gone. So that's pretty cool. It is good stuff. I use it before and after every healing session. I've used it, like I said, for years and years and years. And anybody who's ever been for a healing session one-to-one in person will know that I always spray it on them afterwards, sometimes before, but always after. It's a nice cleanser, and it balances your energy really, really well. And I believe it's great. It enhances your protection, and it clears the negativity, the dirty energy, all the bad stuff from our vibration, life force frequency. So it really is brilliant. So that's the third beautiful item, which is a real protector and cleanser for right now. The next thing I put is this beautiful box of incense. It's not just incense. There's Palo Santo, sage, frankincense, and moldavite inside. I get the moldavite dust and pour it into the mix, and my beautiful family in Peru, a village, make this. So they mix it all together from all of those beautiful products, and then create the stick for me and then send them to me. And these are incredible. They are close to #1 seller on my website all the time. The cleansing sticks are amazing, but these are slightly different. They're heightened sticks because they're actually filled with moldavite, so they heighten your energy, so you can see through the BS and all the stuff that's around you. You're more aware of what's happening, you feel more. So if you do feel as if you're being attacked in any way, you're already on the ball, you're already feeling it, you're not of low dense energy, which is really important. So these are called Awakening Protection Cleansing Sticks. Okay, so they're just fantastic. They're on my website, but they come with this kit. And yeah, to use these, you just snap a little bit off. You've seen me in many videos, and you just go around your aura, all around your aura for 2 or 3 minutes, and that's it. You can do that once a day, depending on how you're feeling at the end of the day, or if you're really going through some traumatic stuff, then 3 times a day, and that should do the trick really well. I normally use it 3 times a day, sometimes 4, but I'm doing a lot of heavy work a lot of the times. So the next thing is one of my favorite oils. It's called Awakening Oil. This oil contains pine, and I realize that pine is the message, is the sign. The pine cone of the Buddha's head, the pine cone, which is the that little muscle somewhere inside the brain that people call the pineal gland, and this heightens and strengthens that particular place. It cleanses and clears and protects your energy. It's fantastic. People are loving this now, and yeah, I've got to be honest, it's one of my favorite oils at this moment because I'm using it all the time and it works. Temples, third eye, back of the neck, back of the ears, fantastic as well. Chest, especially where radiation tries to attack you. So these are the places. A lot of my clients are saying, Mark, I use it down by my ovaries, down there, rub it down there. Brilliant. That makes a lot of sense. So these are the places. Top of your head, a lot of people are liking that too. So rubbing at the top of the head makes sense as well because it aligns with the pineal gland. So fabulous stuff. I sell this on my website as well, but it's great with this new pack that I'm putting together. We all know that Shungite is a very beautiful crystal, I believe from Russia, I believe. I managed to get a few pieces a few weeks ago. It's fabulous stuff. Working as a healer, and you start doing the cleansing work, working from your back to your front, down by your ovaries, and then up to your chest, then up to your brain, and all over here, back here, and all over. By doing that and meditating and keeping this in your pocket and always taking it out when you feel you need it is a real great help. It really is. Putting it next to your bedside table when you sleep, again, the frequency is incredible, and you will find yourself being immersed in a good energy, healing and protecting you. So a great crystal to keep with you all the time. And lastly of this kit is one of my favorite crystals right now. This is Silicone Valley. It's a cliche, I know, because we're attacked by Silicon Valley, but it kind of makes sense, right? If you hate Silicon Valley, why would you even think about buying something called Silicon Valley? Very clever, but you know what? It works, and the testimonials are proof. They are amazing. They're working great. I keep 2 with me all the time in my pocket, and sometimes when I work with just the healing process, I just use 1. Again, using around my temples, third eye, and keeping it close with me all the time, holding it. It does its work. It's amazing. Again, another crystal you could put under your bed pillow, which is a great move, and then just keep it with you as often as you can. On my website, I don't say this, I don't think, but there is a special offer. If you buy a pendant, this is just the Silicon Valley on its own, but if you buy a Silicon Valley pendant, you automatically receive a free one of these. Okay, so that's something to just be aware of. So if you buy one for yourself, you can give somebody the other one, or keep it in your pocket, so you've got 1 here and 1 in your pocket to hold, and then you can work with 2 of them. And then that's like another gift from me to you. So all of these things here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 items are going to be wrapped and packed for you. If you decide that you think, okay, I can afford it, I'm going to buy it. We're going to wrap and pack it, and we ship it normally the same day. On Friday, we have somebody working. Saturday now we have somebody working, and on Sunday. So the worst case scenario, if you buy it Friday, it will be shipped off first thing Monday morning. Normally takes a few days. Much quicker than the postal service. So all of that together, I will put a link underneath here with this particular gift set that I'm doing at a really good price for you, because I care. And I will also put the link underneath to the Silicon Valley, because if you do buy a Silicon Valley and it's mounted and it's a pendant, you get another one free. So I'll send you that link as well. All of these products are individual on markbajerski.com. And yeah, I haven't done this for a few days. I haven't done it for a while, so I thought I'd do it now. A lot of people are talking about it and loving it. And I hope this works for you as well as it works for me. I wish you a lovely day, and thank you for going to markbajerski.com and buying your authentic tools, crystals that I've worked on personally. I hope they make a difference in your life like they did for me. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Love you all. Take care.